What's up, everybody? Working on the C30 today, and wanted to show you how I save screws or nuts and bolts as I'm taking out an interior. So these are some trim pieces that I have, and they have the screws with the painter's tape over them. That way, lower trim piece. I don't want to tape over this, so I just put them in the back way. That way, I don't have to bag stuff. I don't have to label anything. I can have my trim pieces with the proper screws readily available whenever I'm ready to either reinstall, or say I'm taking this piece, I'm going to polish it out. I'll set the screws to the side, one piece at a time, and then when I'm ready to install it, you can take the tape off and install your piece. A lot better for me because I don't like, having to find a separate bag, my separate trim piece. I like having everything readily available for me. I tend to forget where stuff is. I'm not the best organized guy. And when you're working with a mess like this, things can get lost pretty easily. And actually, I got my painter's tape right here, and I just put the screws inside as I'm working, getting this door panel off. So that way I know where everything's at. No separate bags. So, might work for you. Try it out. I know some people like the bag method. That way they can label everything. But to me, this is a lot easier. I don't have to spend money on Ziploc bags. That stuff can get expensive, especially when you working, on a truck like this. I mean, any size. There's a lot of screws. So, try it out. Let me know what you think. Might work for you. Later.